Hello, today we're going to clean the Coway AP-1512HH Air Purifier. You want to start by taking off the front panel after you turn it off. Now this exposes the pre-filter. This has been about 10 days since it was last cleaned. And we're going to have a damp rag, a brush, a couple swabs, and a dry rag. Now we're going to take off the pre-filter. And that exposes the carbon filter and the regular filter. Now to clean the pre-filter, I'm going to use the Musu battery-operated vacuum cleaner. It does come with the floor attachment. I have the brush on here so I don't damage the pre-filter. Now I'm going to use the vacuum to clean off the charcoal filter. I said earlier, carbon filter is a charcoal filter. Now I'm going to clean off the main filter. And you see it's nice, it's clearly marked. That's the front, so you know which way to put it back. Now let's get it back together. Now we're going to wipe down the main panel, damp rag. Now this does come in white and black. Shows the black. You may prefer the white. The black seems to when you turn it on, it's got a couple different modes. You have 3 speeds. You have the ionizer, and you could also put it on a timer, and you can also put it on auto. Now what it auto does, it runs it on the first speed, and then as it clogs or detects something, it'll automatically speed it up a bit. I just leave it on number 2. Also, every so often you're going to need to clean the sensor. What this does, when it starts to get clogged, it'll turn like purplish if it's picking up something, or red. Open up the little panel. Use a brush. Get in there wherever you can reach, gently with the swab. See how that turned red? And now it should turn back blue. Okay, so it stayed on the red, so I turned it back on and off, and now it's back to the blue. But that's an example of it starts to pick up things.